Okay, the question is saying over here is that the first, second, and third term of a GP are in the first, fifth, and 11th term, respectively, of an arithmetic progression. Okay, this is the first thing which they are giving us. Okay, so we are going to write it over here that GP. Okay, now for GP, what they have given us? For GP, they have given us first term, that is T1, T2, and T3. These are the terms which are given for GP. Okay, and now they are saying that the GP, the T1, T2, T3 are the first, fifth, and 11th term of an arithmetic progression. It means that for AP, it will be T1, T5, and T11. This is the first piece of information which is given to me. Now, I'm going to write them according to the formula. So for AP, the formula will be, for GP, the formula will be A, AR, and AR square. For T1, the formula will be A. For T5, it will be A plus 4D. And for T11, it will be A plus 10D. This is the first piece of working which is given to me. Now, they are saying, given that the first term in each progression is 48. The first term in each progression is given, and that is given as 48 over here. So what will I do? I will say, okay, this is 48, and this will also be equals to 48, right? Okay. And the common ratio of geometric progression is R. Common ratio is also given, and that is given to us as R. And they are saying R is not equals to 1, right? First part, they are saying find the value of R over here. Okay. So I have to find the value of R over here. Okay. Now, as you can see in the first part, they have asked for value of R. Okay. And they are saying the first term in each progression is 48. So how will I do this working? Now, in this first one, the first statement which was given in the question was the first, second, and third term of a geometric progression are the first, fifth, and 11th terms respectively of a of an arithmetic progression. Okay, it means what? It means that this first term will be equals to this. Second term of geometric progression will be equals to fifth term of arithmetic progression, and third term of geometric progression will be equals to 11th term of arithmetic progression as it is given over here. Okay, so now what will we do over here in order to get this working? First of all, we are going to do the comparison, and as they have given us the value of first term, I'm going to plot it. T2, that is AR of geometric progression, is equals to T5 of arithmetic progression, A plus 4D. Value of A is already given to us, that is 48. So when I will plot it over here, this will become 48R equals to 48 plus 4d. Okay, 48r equals to 4 common. So I will be having 12 plus d. Now shifting this 4, which is being multiplied, when I will shift it over here, so it will become 48r over 4 equals to 12 plus d. Okay, so on simplification, these two, what is going to happen? 4 ones are 4 and 4 into 12. So I'm going to get 12r equals to 12 plus t over here. Okay, so now simplifying it further, so I'm shifting this 12 over here. So what I'm going to get over here when I'm going to shift it, so 12r minus 12 equals to d. This whole thing which I have got over here will be my equation number 1. Okay, d equals to 12r minus 12. This is going to be my equation number 1 over here. Now, what we are going to do over here, I have compared these two, T2 equals to T5 as per the given one. Now they are saying the third term of geometric progression are 11th term of an arithmetic progression. It means this one and this one will be equals. Okay, so now I will compare these two to get my working over here. So what is this one? This is coming AR square equals to A plus 10D. Okay, plotting value of A. So 48 R square equals to 48 plus 10D. Okay, so 48 R square, taking 2 common from here, I will be having 24 plus 5D. So 48 R square. This 2 which I have got over here, I will be shifting it in the denominator. So 24 plus 5t. So on simplification, I will be getting 24r square equals to 24 plus 5d. Okay. Now we have got a value of d, which is this one. So from equation number 1, now what was in equation number 1? D was 12r minus 12. So I'm going to plot it over here. Okay. So 24r square, 24 plus 5, and in place of d we are going to put the value, that is 12r minus 12. Okay, so 24r square equals to 24 plus this 5 multiplied by 12, it will become 60r minus this 5 multiplied by this 12, it will become 60 over here. So now when I will simplify it, I will be getting 24r square, shifting this over here. plus 60r shifted over here will become minus 60r, and 24 minus 60 will be minus 36, which I will shift it over here and it will become plus 36 equals to 0. Okay. Now, after this, what I can see over here in this one, that 24, 60 and 36, I can take something common from here. So what I'm taking common from here is I'm going to take 12 common from here. So when I will take 12 common, what will be left over here? I will be having 2r square minus 5r plus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so 2r square minus 5r plus 3 equals to this 12, which is written over here. When I will shift it on the other side, it will get divided by 0, 0 upon 12, and 0 upon 12 will be 0. So we will be having 2r square minus 5r plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So now what we are going to do, we are going to work with middle term breaking. So in middle term breaking, 2r square. How will you do the middle term breaking over here? 2 will be multiplied by 3. Okay. So when I will multiply 2 with 3, so I will get over here 2 3s are 6 will be there. So I have to make the factor of 6, 2, 3, 3, 1. Okay, this is a factor which we are going to get over here. So now what we are going to do, I have to, from this 2 into 3 into 1, I have to make a factor in two groups. So by multiplying, I should get 6, and by adding or subtracting, I should get minus 5. So what will I do? I will take it as 2 into 3. Okay. If I will add them, 2 plus 3, I will get 5. And if I multiply them, 2 into 3, I will get 6 over here. Okay. This is the working middle term breaking I have shown over here. So now coming to my question, minus 5 in place of 5, I will be writing 2r minus 3r plus 3 equals to 0. Okay. So from the first two terms, I can take 2r common. What will be left over there? R minus 1. Okay. Okay. So I will be having 1 over here minus 3 common. R minus 1 equals to 0. Okay. So R minus 1 bracket is common. So R minus 1 common as a bracket. So from the first bracket, what is left outside? 2R. From the second bracket, what is left outside? Minus 3 equals to 0. Right? So the product of 2 is coming 0. It means either R minus 1 is 0 or 2R minus 3 is equals to 0. R will be equals to 1 or R will be equals to 3 upon 2. Okay. These are the two answers coming. Now in the question, they have already said over here that R is not equals to 1. Okay. So it means what is going to happen, that R equals to 1 will be rejected. Okay. I will not work with R equals to 1. So final answer for A part will be R equals to 3 upon 5. Okay, so now coming for the B part, they are saying find the sixth term of each progression. I have to find the sixth term of each progression, two progressions which are given to me. One is geometric and one is arithmetic over here, as you can see over here. So I will be starting with geometric first. Okay, they are asking for sixth term of geometric progression. So that will be T6 equals to A R R 5. Okay. Now the value of A we have already got, that is 48. Okay, so this will be 48 into R. R is coming what? R is coming 3 over 2 whole power 5 over here. Okay. So when I will be simplifying this one in the given scenario, when I will simplify, okay, what will be the result coming over here? As I have got the value of A, I have got the value of R, and I have to get the uh, term 6. Okay. So when I will simplify it, the result which I am going to get over here, see, this will be coming equals to 48 into 2 power 5 will be 32 and 3 power 5 will be 243. Okay. So now when I will simplify it further, what will happen? 48 into 243 divided by 32. This is given. So how will I do simplify it first? See, I can like by 16, I can simplify it. 16 twos are 16 threes are. Okay. So when I will simplify it, T6 will be coming 3 into 243 will be 729 over 2. Okay, you can leave your answer over here or you can bring it in the mixed number 3641 upon 2 if you want to write it in mixed number form, and if you want to write it in decimal, so this will become 364.5. Okay, this will be the answer, or this will be the answer, or this will be the answer for sixth term of GP. Okay, now when it comes to sixth term of AP, we know the formula. The formula is Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula. Now I have to find sixth term. Okay. So in order to find sixth term, what will I do? I will put In place of n, I will put 6. A is 48, but D is not given. I still don't have D. So what will I do? First of all, I have to find the value of D over here. Okay. And I have got this formula over here, this equation which I have made, right? I'm solving this equation on in this side. Okay. So you guys can get a proper idea that what we are going to do over here. See, I'm solving it over here. The equation number one, which we have got, was 12R minus 12 equals to D. Okay, that was the equation which I have got. So I've written it over here. So 12, R was coming 3 over 2 minus 12 equals to D. So when I will simplify it, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 that's 12. और जब मैं 6 को इस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगा, this will become 18 minus 12 equals to D. So the value of D will be coming 6 over here. So now I will take this value and I will plot it over here in order to get my result. Okay. So T6 I have to find. A plus, in place of n, I will be putting 6. So, okay, well, even I got the value of A. So I will be putting 48 plus 6 minus 1. And in place of D, I will be getting the value of 6 over here. So when I will simplify it, see, T6 equals to 48 plus 6 minus 1 will be 5 into 6. So T6 equals to 48 plus 30. When I will add it, so T6 will be coming equals to 78. And that is your sixth term of arithmetic progression as they have asked over here.